Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music to your Instagram profile or put a song on your Instagram profile. We might see have some profiles that have songs within them, so we will do it on our profile today. So head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account of your Instagram. Then head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then click on edit profile, and if you scroll down you'll see an option of music, and here click on add music to your profile. Now click on the plus icon to pick a song for your profile, and there goes the list of songs. Here you can just search for your taste, according to your taste or genre or any sort of artist you just want to add on your as your music on your profile. Suppose I am just clicking this Israel Arabic version, so click on the tick mark and it will be added. Yes, it is added now. And once you click on the tick mark, the music is added to your profile. Let me show you. And the music is added to my profile. That's it. This is how you can do it.